Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the orientation for left-handed users in Zangi Messenger app. So there is a functionality where you can enable the orientation. Let's go ahead and do that. If you're a left-hand user, all you need to do is click on the settings option after you open Zangi and go to chats. After you go to chats, scroll a bit down and you can see the orientation for left-handed. Go ahead and enable it. And you can now notice that you have been easy and it'll be easy for you to use the app if you are left-handed. So some of the settings will work more. If you click on back or if you go back, you can see that from the left-hand side it will also work and will have extra sensitivity to it. So if you want to enable it, click on the settings, go to chats, scroll a bit down and you can see the orientation for left-handed. If it is turned white, go ahead and click on it and make it turn blue and you can enable the orientation for left-handed in Zangi Messenger. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.